So this is how Gucci eats. I hand feed him so that he does not swallow a lot of air when he eats, because he's pretty hungry all the time. So he eats rather quickly and then swallows a lot of air. That air sometimes gets trapped in his pouch, which causes the problem. So he sits like this, and gravity does its job. The food works its way down to his belly. If he doesn't eat like this, the food does not go into his stomach. He's really good about this. He's been eating this way since he was 4 months old, and he is now 4 years old. So this is normal for him. You see, he eats he just wants to eat fast. So this is how he eats, not in a Bailey chair. We have one. We did order one for him, but he does not like it. So this is his chair, and it works really well for him. And when we're done feeding, he knows that he needs to burp, and if he does not burp, that causes more of a problem for him. So when we burp him, he lets out a lot of air, and that, to me, I believe, Gucci up, helps his food go down, because if the air is trapped in here, his food kind of just sits on top of it. So once we release that air, his food falls. Just like that. It's pretty simple, right? Good job. And that's how we do it. And we sit like this, usually about 5 minutes. If I notice that he's having a problem and it seems like his food did not go down, then we go right back in the chair. Stay. Stay. And that's it.